Okay, this is Ux331ual. This is, I bought it from Paytm in this festive season, and I got a discount of total cost of this laptop in 59,000. Seal is intact. So this is i5 8th generation 8 GB RAM, in search of incredible. This is, I guess, laptop itself. Oh, it's really, I mean, light. And this is nothing. This is a cloth. This is paperwork. This one is also a paperwork. Next, here this is cable ties. This is a USB to Ethernet adapter, and this is the power brick. Oh, this is quite small. I have this Sony laptop which is 8 years old. That one is having a very big power brick. Next is, oh good, bag also. That's it. Nothing in the bag. Here is the bag also. Let's open the bag. And carrying bag. Wow, this is good. Soft materials look good. So this is the laptop. Wow, this is nice. Wow, this is small one, 13-inch. Okay. Wow, this is light. This one is Intel i5 8th generation, and this is the fingerprint sensor. This is this is having Harman Kardon sound system. Oh, bezels are very narrow. That is good one. And this one is light. I mean, I'll say this is light. And this side I have this card slot, microphone slot, and normal USB 2.0. Oh, sorry, USB 2.0 card slot, and this one is the headphone jack. Next, this side I have USB-C, USB 2, HDMI port, and power port. This has two speaker grills. This and this one come preloaded. Oh, this is really nice. I don't know how to power on. Okay, power button is this. Not powering on. Okay, that's it. It also have a webcam, and full review I'll make in the next video.